Have you ever wondered how olive oil is made? It's a process steeped in tradition and ingenuity, taking the humble olive and transforming it into a golden elixir. Olive oil has been a culinary staple for thousands of years, with its roots tracing back to the ancient Mediterranean. The quality of the fruit plays a pivotal role in crafting this celebrated oil, with each olive bearing the potential to become a drop of liquid gold. Now, let's dive into the fascinating step-by-step process of how this liquid gold is made. Our journey begins in the olive groves, where the trees are carefully cultivated for their precious fruit. The cultivation of olive trees is an art form in itself, requiring a keen understanding of the soil, climate, and the tree's unique needs. Factors like temperature, rainfall, and the quality of the soil play pivotal roles in their growth. As the seasons change, so does the anticipation of the harvest season, a crucial period in the life cycle of the olive tree. Traditional methods of harvesting olives involve hand-picking or shaking the tree, while modern techniques use mechanical means for efficiency. Each method has its charm and its challenges. Once the olives are harvested at just the right time, they're ready for the next step, the transformation. From the olive grove, our harvested olives make their way to the mill, where the magic happens. Here, the olives are gently cleaned to remove any dirt and leaves. This is a crucial step as any debris can influence the taste and quality of the final product. Next, the cleaned olives, pits and all, are ground into a thick aromatic paste. This grinding process breaks down the cell walls of the olives, releasing their precious oil. Then we move on to malaxation. In this stage, the olive paste is slowly churned. This isn't just for fun, it's a key step that encourages the tiny oil droplets within the paste to unite, forming larger droplets. And now, for the grand finale, extraction. The paste is spun at high speed in a centrifuge. This whirling motion separates the oil from the water and solids. It's a bit like a magic trick, with the golden oil appearing as if by enchantment. With the oil separated, we're on the final stretch of our olive oil journey. The nearly finished olive oil now goes through the last few steps before it's ready for your kitchen. At this stage, the oil is decanted, a process that separates the oil from any remaining water and sediment. Next, it's filtered, an essential step that ensures the purity of the oil and enhances its longevity. Finally, the oil is carefully bottled, often in dark glass to protect it from light, which can degrade its quality. But the journey doesn't end there. Proper storage at home is crucial. A cool, dark place is best to maintain the oil's quality and flavor. And there you have it, from tree to bottle. That's the journey of olive oil. The next time you drizzle this golden elixir over your salad, you'll know the tradition, care, and craftsmanship that goes into every drop.